Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial I'm going to show you guys how to resolve the Windows Live Mail error code ID 0x800ccc0f. So this can be a pretty straightforward tutorial, and without further ado, let's jump right into it. So we're going to begin by opening up the Windows Live Mail application. So I'm going to open up Windows Live Mail. It should take a second to load up. Then you want to left click on the Accounts tab up at the top, and then left click on Properties. Now you want to left click on the Servers tab, and then where it says Outgoing Mail Server, you want to check mark where it says My Server Requires Authentication. And that should hopefully be about it. So just left click on Apply and OK. And you could also try reinstalling Windows Live Essentials as well, going through programs and features in Windows, and we're all familiar with that. So this would basically reinstall the program, and that should hopefully resolve the problem as well. So as always, thank you guys for watching this brief tutorial. I do hope I was able to help you out, and I look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.